What's up, guys? This is Mark from DsGenie. I'm just doing a video that is going to go through the entire DsGenie software. This is mainly focused on one, you guys who are new to DsGenie. So I will add this into the welcome email that you guys get. And two, for those of you guys who don't know anything about DsGenie and wondering how powerful the software is and all that stuff, this is where I explain all the links and everything. So this is the DsGenie homepage. This is all sales stuff, all information on the software, the community. We have 2 testimonials, cool video. Home supported stores. So if you're worried about if we track the stores you use, chances are we do. You can check it out. There's a frequently asked questions, contact us, and then log in. Once you hit login, it'll take us to the fun stuff, right? So this is the DsGenie software, right? This is a home. Once you log in, this is what you would see. Right here, this is where your store should show up. The status of your API. This should always give you some days, hours, and minutes. So basically to confirm the API is connected. The API usage, guys. You get 5,000 API calls a day. What the usage is, the calls, those of you guys who are in the issue, you should know. These calls are used for a couple things. One, they're used so when prices go up, down, or out of stock, DsGenie will use a call to shoot over to your eBay account and change the price up, down, or put it out of stock according to the source. It is also used for the get seller item tab, get seller from title tab. Now, when I get to that, I'll explain what it does, but those are the 3 instances where DsGenie uses your 5,000 calls a day. If you're doing things correctly, if you're not running too much research, you should have no problem with the number of calls there are. Okay? So let's get into explaining the whole software, what you see and that type of stuff. So there's no receipt. Sweet. So I'm starting from scratch. So on the first page, you'll see the links here. We'll get into what the suggestions are in a second. But we're going to go through every single link. Some of them actually is sad. The SKU grid export, I don't use SKU grid. Kwesi should explain that. And it's sad, but whatever, right? I'm going to skip Bonanza for now because this video is going to be long. But I'll get into everything else. So home, this should be self-explanatory. It takes you back to the home page from everywhere else, right? If you have another page, you hit home, it takes you back to home. If you notice, on the home page, we also have a skip to bottom. So if like you want to get to the bottom of the page for whatever reason, you hit that and it takes you all the way to the bottom. All right, I think Rick requested that, I want to say like 6 months ago, and Kwesi put that in. The second link, add gift card. So those of you guys who follow me, I use gift cards to Jesus. I use gift cards to purchase, well, not me, my assistants, the VAs, but I also use gift cards to purchase all my orders. I used to use Excel spreadsheets to manage those gift cards. That is a pain in the ass because we use tons of gift cards every day. I want to say if we do 30 orders a day, we might use 50 gift cards a day. Jesus Christ. Now that I think about it. Anyway, so let me explain. So when you first get the gift card, if you want to use DsGenie to manage the gift cards, you come in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not a real gift card, obviously. That's a fake number for the gift card. If it's a Walmart gift card, there will be a PIN involved. And all this is for your records, right? I don't really worry about the discount. I calculate it myself. You can add the discount if it's 2, 3, 4, whatever. And then how much the gift card is, if it's $100. And I'll explain why. Because once you fulfill your orders through DsGenie, it keeps track of everything. And then we hit save. Once you save your gift card, you'll be able to view all the gift cards available on the View Gift Card tab. So it's saved. And automatically shows you on the View Gift Card tab. So I don't have to click down. So if you look, your gift card, PIN number, balance, this balance is changed when we use it for an order. All right. View listing. What the view listing tab is, these are all your DsGenie listings that are on eBay. From this page, you could change the price. So you can put it to, let's say, 54. Let me not change it. 55.47. Change the quantity. Let's say there's 3 available, and you can do multiple at a time. Hit submit. I'm not sure if that's listed. That may not be actually listed, or maybe it is. Yeah, it said it's invalid. That's an item that we deleted off of eBay, but not in the DsGenie account. So let me find one that should be in eBay. I think this one is still in eBay. And that's what happens when you don't keep track of things, guys, and you delete on eBay and you don't delete on DsGenie. Submit. So you can make those inputs from the view listing page, and you can change more than one at a time. All right. Now notifications. On the I don't use the notification page, guys. Me personally, I just don't really look at it. I may look at it to see when last year she tracked an item, but this will tell you everything about all your items. All right. So it shows it's out of stock. This pushed out of stock to what do you call it? To Bonanza. This shows that the price went from 56 to $100. So the set price went up to 160, 167. That's too expensive. But this just shows you all the changes. If you click it, it takes you to the actual eBay listing. You can confirm. So that price was raised way too high. So it's funny that I'm doing this in this video. This is an account I use for training, but I'll just go and deal with that now. So what is the name of this? New Queen Air view listing. And you know this video is not going to get edited, so you're going to get all this shit in the video. If it's $99, this link takes you to the source of the item. So I'm just going to check to see what's the cost of the item to confirm. It went back down, so the item is actually $56. So I'm going to, this would have changed and I wouldn't have checked again. So remember, DsGenie checks every 4 hours. So if between the time it went up and came back down, it didn't check, the prices would still be high. Oh, and DsGenie also doesn't lower prices. So when prices go, they get pushed up a lot, and when it comes back down, you guys are responsible to lower the price. So let me come and lower this, and we do that to make sure you guys don't lose money. So let me come and do this 56. I want to change. Let me see 2. I am going to check. I have another computer over here, so I don't have the eBay calculator saved here on this screen. So I am going to check. I should just pull it up so you guys can see. Fucking A. New life auction. Options. The eBay calculator, guys. So the cost of the item was $56.50. Those of you guys, I know some of you guys are just not going to look through all of this, but I hope you do, and it's going to be long. Right now, price. I want to guess. Let's see. I'm just pricing this because this is not. I'm not going back and looking at competitors. And this is just what I usually do. Alright, yeah, so I want to make 10%, so I'll change to 70. I actually hate doing these long fucking videos. I don't even, like, I usually work for 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break. And this shit is going to be longer than 25 minutes, and that's going to drive me nuts. But let me show you guys that it worked. Change price. You see in this price under here, because I'm in Nicaragua, so that's the Nicaragua thing. Nicaragua currency. So on the view listings page, you can edit prices, and I'm gonna have to go through and edit a lot of shit. But you can edit prices and quantities. All right. I went through notifications, add item. I hardly ever use this, but let me show you what this is for. Now that we actually have the links here. So usually add item. If you guys are not in DsGenie and you came into DsGenie and you're already sold on eBay and you want DsGenie to track your current items, add items is where you'll add it. So this is an item that I sell it from this account. So on the item screen, there's eBay URL. So it would be your URL, right? If you have a listing, the supplier URL would be where you buy it. Copy. Scroll down. Supplier price, $56.50. I wish I had music. And then you'll hit my item. This is very important. I don't use add item for anything else but to add items already listed. Hit save. I'm doing this, it's already tracked, but I'm just doing this anyway, just to show you guys. Come on, baby. Right, so it was, right, item template name, blah, 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 so it was saved. All right, and if you see, since we started, we used two API credits. But anyway, back to the fun stuff. So we did add items. Pruning. Guys, this is very important. I do this. I have a video on pruning, a video on this tool, a separate video. But pruning, basically what pruning is, items that do not sell and do not have watchers, after 30 days, get rid of it. And it comes back to the sell-through rate that I mentioned on a video I did yesterday and the day before. So it is pruning is basically getting rid of the shit that doesn't sell. And what this does is it goes through all the pages that you have, right? So I'm gonna do the 3 pages. I'll show you guys how it works. But you don't want your eBay account full of shit. You don't want to sit down hoping that something sells, hoping that, okay, I listed this 6 months ago and maybe someone will come and fucking buy it. We're not trying to, yeah, you might make $1, $10, $20 by luck, but fuck it. It's too much work to make money by luck. I like to be in control of my destiny, in control of how much money I fucking make. I don't want to be playing and dancing around and doing this nonsense and just have a lot of bullshit listed. So, and I mentioned, I'm going to do another video and stress that even more, why you guys need to take down the shit, right? Especially through Christmas, you guys are very, would be very busy fulfilling orders, but after Christmas is a perfect time to take down the bullshit. So what DsGenie is doing here is going through all the listings from page 0 to 3 in your listings. You can do first page, second page, third page at a time. But it's going through all your listings in DsGenie, looking at eBay, and you'll see in a second. You'll see the number of watchers, the number of sold, and I think views. But we'll see it in a quick second. Give it a second, guys. Give it a second, guys. Yeah, the sad thing is I'm not going to edit this video to like speed through this, and I keep getting fucking messages on Facebook and it's showing up in this video. I apologize. Hopefully you guys enjoy my singing. And I got a haircut, by the way. And I got this haircut, it's funny. I got this haircut only because I got this fucking camera. So it would like be more detailed and I want to look kind of pretty for you guys, so hopefully you like it. Yeah. Come on, motherfucker, let's go. Let me close some of this shit while we wait. Okay, so I personally, so this is what listed, the data was listed, data was last sold, number of watchers, number of sales, okay? I personally, this was listed more a while ago, 1 watcher, 0 sales. I will get rid of that. 0 watchers, All this shit needs to go. All this zero watcher stuff. One watcher after 2 months, it's not gonna fly. It's not gonna fly. No sales, no watchers. Jesus. No sales, one watcher. As I said, we don't do this to sell by luck. We want to be in control. So all this nonsense needs to go. One watcher. Jesus. If you guys remember, I actually clicked off all items in the screen before. All items are sold in the past 30 days. Because I don't even want to see those because those are going to be kept regardless, right? I just want to get rid of the old stuff. That's a month old. What is today? Yeah, that's about a month old. No fucking watches. No watches. No watches. It's not a whole month old, but you know what I mean? All this bullshit needs to go. Jesus. I like this and only one watcher, but Jesus Christ. Why? One watcher. That's a month, one watcher. I leave it. It was zero. I gotta go. Zero watches. Zero watches. Zero. That's not a whole month. No, these are pretty new. Alright, I try to do 30 days. If after 30 days there's zero watches, I get rid of that mofo. But none of these, all these are relatively new. So I want to cancel all those things I clicked off. Come on, baby. So what DsGenie is doing here is actually canceling those orders that, wow, I clicked 29 of those. I didn't know it was that much. That's going to take a little while. Please, I guess you can skip forward, but don't just leave the video just because of this shit. I'm sitting here teaching you mofos, so the least you could do is watch what I'm teaching. I sent a message to my assistant. Hold on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 33. I wish I had some music. I just interviewed someone to do some video editing. If we start soon, you guys will like speed through. Should I? I don't know. I may or may not edit shit. Come on, this is really like frustrating. Because after this, we have how many more links? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So yeah. So anyway, maybe I can use this time to explain. So those of you guys who should know, the whole strategy of this shit is to build a list of competing drop shippers and then take their top selling items, beat the price, and list it, right? And what we built DsGenie to do is to do that whole process a lot faster. This video is going to be so long and boring, and I apologize. And I'm tired. I don't even want to do this, but this video is very necessary. All right. Those of you guys who make it through the whole video, I thank you and I appreciate it. Please like. I can ask you guys now. Those of you guys who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, please. Those of you guys who like the video, please ask questions in the comment section. I'll ask. I would answer them via video. This is I speak Spanish every day, so I'm kind of screwed. I'm tired, and that's why I'm okay. So I remove all those listings. So that's what pruning is. Get rid of shit that doesn't sell. All right. Listing profit report. This gives you, again, this is also going to use some of your what do you call it? Some of your API calls. This is going to show you all your items, the cost of the item, how much you listed it, how much is listed at, the profit margin. So if you're not getting sales, you come back, run this report, and make sure that all your listings don't have too high margins Also make sure you're not losing money on your listings. So I run this report like once a week. Well, I have, not me, but you should run this report once a week, just to make sure you're not overpriced too much. You're not losing money. And if you see sales go down, this is definitely what you need to do. Run this report and check what's going on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Actually, I have some music here. Let me see. It's very soft. So I'll play it every day. All right. Yeah. I don't know if you all guys are going to hear this in the video, but I need something to do while the shit is working. Hey. Calamine. Okay, enough of that. It's almost done. Okay, check this out. So, yeah, I'm going to have to tell JDL to come in and fix a lot of shit. Just from scanning through, I already see a lot of trouble. So, this is your eBay price, the source price, markup percentage, and profit percentage. I keep my profit percentage between 5 and 20%. Anything too high or too low needs to be fixed. So this needs to be fixed. This could be lowered a bit. No, that has shipping, so this is fine. This is some cheap shit, so this could stay that way. This needs to be lowered. That definitely needs to be. No, this is something else. Maybe it sells. This definitely needs to be lowered. Definitely. This. So what you guys will do is you'll come in here, run this report. This is after you list for a while and see, especially if sales are low, you can come here and check to see where you could fix a lot of your prices. Right, this needs to be fixed. And guys, I'm doing this just to talk you through it, but the only way you actually get a hands-on understanding about what the fuck is going on is by actually running these things. So those of you guys who are in DsGenie, I urge you guys to try to look at all the different reports. They're basic. We made DsGenie for the basic motherfucker. For the person who knows nothing about internet, nothing about anything, I can just jump in, click some links, and make this money. All right, let's move on. Where am I? Pruning list report, get new orders. Get new orders is simple, guys. If you sold something, you hit get new orders, hit search, it will pull in the orders that sold. And now, music. Is it done? Oh, I thought it was done. I hope you guys hear this music because I look like a fucking idiot just dancing and nothing. Wait, we had some sales today. Hold on, baby. So the get new orders would get the orders, and then the order page would go on to show you the sale. You'll see in a second. So that was get new orders link. So now that I pull in the sales, the orders link now should show you those new orders that were pulled in. Guest music is warranted because I'm waiting. Come on, baby. This is the third one and not I'm telling you about. Okay. So they might have been fulfilling this from. Okay. So this is the. So this was yesterday. So these. Okay. So check this out, right? So on the order page, this is where you fulfill your items. So you come to the order page, hit edit. On the order page, if the person bought it from you, there would be a message here saying, like, a lot of times when someone buys something from you, they send you a message with the order, right? So if the message, like, they might say they want to buy a specific date or they want to ship to a specific address, that will show up in the comment section automatically. The item link, this image will take you directly to where to purchase the item. All right. This is all the information from the guy who bought it from you. So you don't have to leave DsGenie to fulfill the order, right? So what would happen is when you fulfilling orders, you go to the order page, open one, hit the link, get the item, go back here. I have two screens, but I'm doing it on one so you guys can see. Go back here, use his information to fill out the order, ship it to the motherfucker, come back here, say how much you bought it for, say how much you paid. Let's say you paid 40 bucks. Once you do that, let me close it because my shitty internet. Once you put in the order price, the profit will automatically be calculated when you save it. If you use a gift card and you use gift card, this is a perfect example. If you use gift cards to purchase and it's saved in DsGenie, you put it in here and DsGenie will take that $40 from the $100. If you all guys remember at the beginning of the video, I added that gift card to the DsGenie. Order status, you change it from new order to product order with your tracking number. All of this is for your organization, guys, so you don't use fucking Excel spreadsheets. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. But I added this because I personally cannot stand using Excel spreadsheets and 10 different spreadsheets to keep track of my sales, and DsGenie calculates profit inside of here. So right. You could add order email and store order number just for your record purposes, so it'll be easy to find the stuff, find the order in the future. Hit save. It would suck ass if you all guys are hearing that music in the video. Come on, this is imagine I make money with this third world internet. So you guys who complain about anything, don't. Okay, so if you go back to the order page, you see, oh, stop. If you look here, DsGenie calculated the profit. Gift card was there. All the information is there. So in the future, if the client asks when it was ordered, blah, 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 you have the information saved. Go back to order page. Yeah, on the order page, if you notice, it was changed, and you have other orders to fulfill. Actually, let me not mess with it. And then profit page. Start date. Let's say you want to check how much money you made in the past 30 days. 2016. What am I doing? So it's the year, the month. Start date you want. Let's say we want all of December. Copy. It search. DsGenie will go through the orders that you fulfilled in DsGenie. So guys, you guys have to fulfill in DsGenie for it to do your calculations, and it'll show how much profit you have, right? Export sales. This I actually never use this. I'm guessing this would download your sales. Yeah. So if you put us, I'll have Kwesi make a video on this. My research. You know what? Let me stop the video here because this video is long. So I'll post this video as an explanation of the first half of the links in DsGenie, half of the features, the management features, and then I'll do another video on the listing features in DsGenie. Okay, guys? I'm just tired and I'm bored as fuck, and I don't like doing long videos. Love you guys. Hopefully this was helpful. Subscribe, like. If you don't like, dislike. Fuck you. Comment. If you put a comment and ask a question, I'll answer it. Subscribe, guys. I'm at 1,000 something. I think I hit 1,100. I'm trying to raise to 2,000. Hopefully before Christmas. Help get me there. Peace, love. Make that money. Travel the world. Love and be loved. Later.